Have you ever wondered if the materials around us could be as friendly to the planet as they are useful? Imagine a world where packaging, construction, and even furniture are built from materials that naturally decompose instead of clogging our environment. Join us as we explore 8 incredible biodegradable materials transforming industries, making everyday items greener and reducing our environmental footprint. Get ready for a journey into the sustainable innovations that are already changing the world for the better. Come along and let's dive in. Hemp fiber composites, strong, sustainable, and versatile. Hemp fiber is rapidly becoming a go-to material for industries looking to build greener products. Imagine walking into a car or a building where almost everything you see, from the seats to the wall panels, comes from hemp. With its impressive strength and flexibility, hemp fiber creates composites that stand up to the demands of modern life, all while being easy on the planet. And the best part? Hemp grows fast, with minimal water and no need for harmful chemicals. So every product made from hemp fiber comes with a smaller footprint. When it comes to construction, you might be surprised to learn that hemp can even replace concrete. Hempcrete, for example, isn't just eco-friendly. It's also fire-resistant and incredibly insulating. Think of living in a home built with materials that naturally help regulate temperature, reducing energy needs, and keeping you comfortable year-round. By embracing hemp, homeowners and builders are stepping into a future that combines durability with sustainability. And hemp isn't just for heavy-duty use, it's also a star in the fashion industry. Picture wearing a stylish, soft outfit that not only looks good, but also biodegrades naturally at the end of its life. Hemp textiles are durable, naturally UV-resistant, and get softer with each wash, offering you clothing that's made to last. If you're a fan of sustainable fashion, hemp fiber is a fabric you'll love. Hemp's versatility extends to food packaging and even disposable products. Imagine having takeout in a container that you know will break down in a matter of months, not centuries. Hemp fiber offers you peace of mind knowing that after enjoying your meal, you're leaving behind packaging that won't outlive you. So whether it's in cars, homes, or clothes, hemp fiber composites are redefining how we think about materials. As more industries adopt hemp, you'll start to see it pop up everywhere, bringing sustainability to places you never expected. Cornstarch plastics, a plant-based plastic alternative. Cornstarch plastics are changing the way we think about plastic, turning what was once seen as a major polluter into a friendlier, biodegradable option. Imagine opening a to-go box or unwrapping a package, knowing that once it's done its job, it will break down in months instead of centuries. With cornstarch-based products, you're part of a movement to replace harmful single-use plastics with something much kinder to the planet. Think of all the plastic packaging you encounter daily: bags, containers, and utensils. Now picture each of those made from cornstarch, with the same durability but a bonus. It decomposes quickly and leaves no toxic residue behind. This innovation lets you enjoy the convenience of plastic without the lasting environmental impact. Restaurants and retailers around the world are switching to cornstarch packaging, allowing you to make a greener choice without changing your habits. In healthcare, cornstarch plastics make a difference in items like surgical gloves and masks. Each time these single-use products are thrown away, they start to decompose rather than add to the waste problem. As a consumer, you're supporting a cleaner world each time you use one of these sustainable alternatives. Personal care products are also catching on. Imagine your shampoo or lotion bottle made from cornstarch plastic, keeping both your hair and the planet clean. Each item you purchase made from cornstarch represents a step towards a world where everyday products work with nature instead of against it. So next time you reach for a product wrapped in cornstarch plastic, know that you're choosing a future where convenience and conservation go hand in hand. Coffee grounds biocomposites, upcycling waste into useful products. If you're a coffee lover, you'll be thrilled to know that even coffee grounds are now part of the sustainable revolution. Imagine drinking your morning brew, and later on, those very coffee grounds could be molded into a reusable coffee cup or even parts of your furniture. Coffee grounds biocomposites are turning waste into beautifully designed products that offer you a sustainable choice for your home and lifestyle. Picture having a coffee cup that smells faintly of coffee. With coffee grounds biocomposites, you get functional items like kitchenware or plant pots that are biodegradable and full of personality. Not only do they reduce plastic waste, but they also bring a unique texture and color, making each piece truly one of a kind. For eco-conscious consumers, coffee grounds are a perfect blend of style and sustainability. In the world of furniture, coffee grounds are making a surprising impact. Imagine sitting in a chair or using a desk made partly from recycled coffee grounds. It's an amazing way to incorporate sustainability into your surroundings while reducing waste in landfills. Plus, the rustic, natural look of coffee grounds makes for stunning home decor that sparks conversation. The electronics industry is also joining in. Consider a phone case made from coffee grounds, biodegradable yet durable enough to protect your device. With coffee-based materials in tech accessories, you can enjoy a functional, stylish item that's also environmentally friendly, letting you show off your eco-friendly values in every detail. Whether in packaging, home decor, or even electronics, coffee grounds biocomposites are proving that waste can be transformed into something beautiful and useful. Next time you sip a cup of coffee, just imagine the possibilities for those grounds. Rice husk composites, the eco-friendly alternative to wood and plastic. Rice husk composites are transforming how we use agricultural byproducts, especially in creating sustainable alternatives to wood and plastic. Imagine a world where your garden pots, furniture, and even construction materials come from rice husks, one of the most abundant agricultural wastes. By giving these husks a new purpose, we're making products that last while reducing waste and saving resources. Imagine having a plant pot that is tough enough for outdoor use, yet fully compostable. That's the magic of rice husk composites. These materials are popping up in everything from kitchen utensils to decorative items, providing a stylish, sustainable alternative to traditional plastic. It's a choice you can feel good about every time you use it in your daily life. In construction, rice husk composites are used for decking and cladding, offering moisture resistance and a natural look that blends beautifully with outdoor spaces. Imagine building a deck from materials that don't harm forests or contribute to plastic pollution. Rice husks make it possible to create outdoor structures that are as kind to the environment as they are durable. The automotive industry is also starting to adopt rice husk composites. Picture a car interior where the panels and trims are made from rice husks, giving a sleek look without the environmental cost. It's a way for the industry to reduce plastic use and provide eco-conscious consumers with a greener vehicle choice. And it doesn't stop there. Brands are also using rice husk composites in packaging, making it easier than ever for you to choose products that won't harm the planet once they're disposed of. By opting for items made from rice husks, you're helping to turn waste into something useful and sustainable. Mycelium, nature's living building material. Mycelium, the underground root network of fungi, is paving the way for a new era in sustainable materials. Imagine walls, furniture, and even packaging made from a living substance that's naturally biodegradable, incredibly strong, and grows on its own. With mycelium, we're looking at a future where buildings can be made with a material that's as alive as the earth itself, offering durability without lasting waste. In architecture, mycelium is already used as a building block in the form of lightweight, moldable bricks. Think about walking into a building that's not only modern and sturdy, but also fully compostable at the end of its life cycle. Mycelium bricks offer insulation, soundproofing, and a natural aesthetic, providing comfort while helping reduce construction waste. It's an innovation that lets you feel truly connected to nature without sacrificing quality or style. Furniture designers have also taken a liking to mycelium, crafting unique pieces that are earthy, sustainable, and stylish. Imagine sitting on a chair that's grown rather than manufactured, each piece with its own distinct texture and look. With mycelium, furniture isn't just a part of your home, it's a statement of support for eco-friendly practices. Mycelium's impact doesn't stop indoors. Picture plant pots, garden decorations, and outdoor furniture made from this organic material, blending seamlessly with nature. Mycelium is resistant to pests and naturally decomposes, making it a perfect choice for any eco-conscious gardener or outdoor enthusiast looking to minimize their environmental footprint. And if you love sustainable packaging, you're in luck. Mycelium is now used as a green alternative to styrofoam and plastic. Imagine receiving packages with cushioning that not only protects your items, but also breaks down completely after use. With mycelium, you're choosing packaging that leaves no trace, just as nature intended. Algae Bio Plastics, the power of sea life in sustainable design. Algae Bio Plastics, the power of sea life in sustainable design. Algae, one of the ocean's most abundant resources, is transforming the world of bioplastics with materials that are lightweight, durable, and completely biodegradable. Imagine a future where the plastic wrap around your food or the bottle you drink from is made from algae, a resource that renews itself faster than almost any other on the planet. Algae bioplastics are giving us sustainable alternatives to petroleum-based plastics, and the ocean couldn't be happier. In packaging, algae-based bioplastics offer a cleaner, greener option for wrapping food and drinks. Imagine grabbing a bottled beverage knowing that the bottle itself will break down after you're done, unlike traditional plastic that lingers for centuries. With algae-based materials, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're taking a stand for the planet with every sip. Algae is also making waves in the textile industry. Picture wearing clothing made from a material sourced from the sea, lightweight, breathable, and of course, biodegradable. As these textiles become more popular, fashion brands are creating collections that merge style with sustainability, allowing you to wear pieces that reflect your commitment to a cleaner planet. And if you're into eco-friendly tech, algae bioplastics are stepping into electronics. Imagine your phone case or laptop cover made from algae-derived materials that offer the durability of plastic without the environmental burden. Algae is proving to be a versatile alternative for consumers who want their gadgets to look good and do good for the earth. The beauty industry is also catching on. Algae-based packaging for cosmetics and skincare is hitting the shelves, offering an environmentally friendly way to indulge in self-care. Imagine opening your favorite cream, knowing the jar will break down harmlessly after use, supporting a world where beauty doesn't come at the planet's expense. Coconut husk fiber, turning waste into wonder. Coconut husk fiber turning waste into wonder. Coconut husk fiber, or coir, is transforming industries from agriculture to home decor, offering a tough, biodegradable alternative to synthetic materials. Imagine your doormats, carpets, and plant pots made from coconut fiber, strong, natural, and surprisingly versatile. Coconut husk fiber takes waste from coconuts and repurposes it into products that last, allowing you to enjoy your home while keeping waste in check. In agriculture, coconut coir has become a popular choice for potting soil and plant liners. Picture nurturing your plants with a product that's fully biodegradable and enhances soil moisture retention. Coconut coir gives gardeners like you an eco-friendly option that not only supports plant health, but also decomposes naturally, giving back to the earth. For eco-conscious decorators, coconut fiber is making an entrance in home decor. Imagine stepping onto a beautiful natural coconut fiber rug that's durable enough for high traffic and gentle on the environment. With coconut husk products, you're adding a touch of nature to your living space while supporting sustainable practices. In packaging, coconut husk fiber provides cushioning and protection without the environmental drawbacks of foam or plastic. Imagine unboxing items cushioned in coconut fiber, knowing that you're making an eco-friendly choice every time you order something online. This is sustainable packaging that protects your items and the planet at the same time. Coconut fiber's versatility doesn't end there. It's also used in car interiors and mattresses, providing natural, resilient padding. Imagine lying down or sitting in a space where even the materials under you reflect the commitment to a greener world. Coconut husk fiber allows industries to turn waste into something useful and lasting, proving that nature often has the best solutions. Pineapple leather, a plant-based alternative for fashion lovers. Pineapple leather, or Pinatex, is a revolutionary material that turns pineapple leaves into a durable, leather-like fabric that's 100% biodegradable. Imagine a stylish handbag or a pair of shoes made from pineapple leaves, sustainable, cruelty-free, and chic. Pineapple leather gives you a way to embrace fashion with a conscience, knowing that each piece supports a cleaner, greener world. In fashion, pineapple leather is used in everything from bags to jackets. Picture yourself carrying a handbag or wearing a jacket that isn't just beautiful, but also plant-based and renewable. With pineapple leather, you're not just making a style statement, you're choosing a material that treads lightly on the planet. Home furnishings are also getting a green upgrade. Imagine your couch cushions or decorative pillows covered in a fabric made from pineapple leaves. Pinatex offers a comfortable, durable, and sustainable option for those looking to furnish their homes with eco-friendly materials. Every piece of furniture made with pineapple leather adds a touch of tropical sustainability to your space. The automotive industry is even joining in. with pineapple leather being used as an eco-friendly alternative for car interiors. Imagine sitting on car seats crafted from a material that's soft, durable, and leaves a smaller footprint than traditional leather. Choosing a car with Pinatex interiors allows you to support sustainable practices every time you're on the road. In accessories, pineapple leather has become a favorite for cruelty-free fashion. Think of wearing a watch strap, belt, or shoes made from this innovative material, which looks and feels like leather but is fully biodegradable. By choosing pineapple leather products, you're saying yes to sustainable luxury that respects the earth and its resources. As we wrap up this journey through biodegradable innovations, it's clear that these materials are more than just environmentally friendly. They're reshaping how industries think about sustainability. Every product you choose made from these materials is a step toward a cleaner, greener future. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.